So just now we have finished an amazing one-to-one financial consultation call with Mr. Anilkumar Nayak. He is from Orissa and presently based out at Uganda. He is working from one of the MNC there. And so it was really amazing knowing you personally as well as financially. Your finance, I think you are also very like-minded people who are really very much serious about their finances. It was wonderful talking to you and knowing your numbers and everything. You are already doing very good in your finances. So, sir, I would like to know your feedback and your takeaways out of our one-to-one consultation we have so far. Up to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, sir, earlier after the class means the financial planning training session, whatever I seen there. Then after that, I gone through. Then I've seen how you have planned at that time. Then I thought, oh, yes, we have to go with this, and I have to talk with you because I have also something in my mind about the financial planning, and I am doing my financial planning and some colleagues' financial planning also. But I thought I have to learn something from you so that it may be where somewhere I am wrong. Then I will rectify me, and because I am guiding also some persons. If I will wrong, then these persons will be also go in wrong way.
Right.
That's why I have to see. Then today, as per our planning, we met, and it is a nice discussion with you for last, I think, 2.5 hours.
Yes.
And I like your discussion because both my thinking and your thinking, your way of discussion, my way of discussion matching. This is the main thing actually. How you have planned and how you have discussed all the things. It is not that somewhere if you will go with some financial planner, they are giving just like something, then listening that one only, the person will say, how much, this much I cannot do that one. But you have taken a small and smoothly ways that yes, yeah, already you have this one, then we should not go with this. Yes, the balance we can do. Means a small figure that a person can understand. And small things, the exact things, it is the good for a person in the conditions, how the condition is that. And I think in the next meeting, we can proceed with the other things also for term plans and all the things. And for this also, we have to understand, you have to understand my conditions and my health conditions, all the things. Accordingly, only we can proceed with the term plans. And how you are now proceeding and how you are doing these things is actually nicely admirable and very good. Thanking you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful words. So definitely, I have all the inputs with me. We had a very good inputs I have taken from you during the meeting also, and we'll definitely work out the best for you as per the discussion. Whatever the next course of action we have already defined, and accordingly we will process. And hopefully, we'll meet very soon. By next week only, we have planned our next meeting. So we'll conclude the session. And till the time, once again, thank you very much, and we wishing you a wonderful week ahead. And wishing you a
Thank you, sir. And one thing I can say.
Yeah, please.
Because whatever I discussed in last 2.5 hours, I can recommend it to anyone who is going to join with you for this discussion. Yeah, who can wants a guidance from you. I can recommend it, your advice to all of them. Please, they can take your advice and your recommendation, so that they will also will go in a same path and a good path, so that they will get their retirement in happily.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Your words means a lot, and definitely we'll work out something for you as well, and we will meet very soon in the next meeting. Until the time, thank you very much once again, and have a wonderful week ahead. Best wishes to you, and wishing you a very early retirement as per your wish. And thank you once again.
Thank you. Okay.